Standing quietly by the sea, this is the St. Augustine Church of Panglao, one of the oldest churches in Bohol. Built during the Spanish era, it has witnessed centuries of faith, storms, and history. Beside it rises the old bell tower, once a watchtower guarding the coastline from invaders. The bells that once warned the town now echo stories of the past. Today, it stands not in fear but in peace, overlooking the ocean it once protected.
If you enjoy this reel, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Casual Travelers Jeannie and Marcin. See you in the next adventure. Bye!